However, we have been with our my dear teacher, that is Mr. Manjunath Sesgiri sir. He has delivered his class from morning to till now, and the class that he has presented is very fantastic, clear, and understanding one. Everyone have managed while receiving the classes, and he has delivered very excellently the classes. And our respected sir, Mr. Manjunath sir, has covered on the topic. We say that building thinking classroom through questioning. This is the topic that we have discussed on this day. That is building thinking classroom through questioning, where sir covered through many games. First we played the game that is called knowing each other. Game 1 we played in groups. Later on sir said about how do we create thinking by arising questions before our children, and how do we let children to ask questions without any hesitation, that we discussed in detail for a long time. And later on sir said that each and every day we ask unconsciously more than 1,000 questions without conscious we are used to ask in our home, in our school, everywhere. And sir said that without questioning there is no learning, sir said, and we also know through our learning the focus we will have on open-ended questions, closed-ended questions, lots and hearts. And sir said about the meaning of open-ended questions, closed-ended questions. Closed-ended questions only talks about specific information, where child gives only what we say objective type of answers, fact answers. Where in case of open-ended questions, children starts thinking, children starts analyzing, children starts synthesizing, and children think a lot in open-ended questions. And WH, 1H, these comes under open-ended and closed-ended, but in closed-ended we have only specific answers said. And sir said that while preparing any blueprint, while asking any questions, we have to use Bloom's taxonomy basis only we refer. Bloom's taxonomy talks about stages. Stage is there at the bottom, knowledge, second understanding, then application, analysis, synthesis, then at the top skill. That's talk about Bloom taxonomy. And sir said about the differences between closed-ended questions and open-ended questions. And finally, we talked about the differences between application and skills. Sir said application is skill is higher than application. Application is nothing but following the rules. For example, we follow truth as Gandhiji applied. That is comes under application. Skill is nothing but where we use imagination, creativity. And finally, sir said about a question matrix, where we discussed about how do we move from closed-ended to open-ended, and how we move from lots to hearts. So overall, today's discussion is focused on question. The thing is that without question there is no learning. The thing is that let children to raise questions freely. Stop questioning before the children. Start giving permission. Permission to children to raise questions. That is, we should become only facilitator, not an instructor. Overall, the presentation of the school teacher, that is Manjunath sir, has delivered very beautifully. Let's clap our hands on behalf of sir. Please. Thank you very much, sir, for using. We have used profitably your time, and I hope we have to deliver this, transfer this all gaining knowledge in our classroom. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, thank you, teachers. ಊಟ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು